Good
like almost,
morning.
it was like almost $2,500 for all that.
I know, right? Morning, guys.
Expensive.
9:34
So we
ng
gotta
umaga.
we gotta pay that down.
Mga bata na sa school.
We get a
Ready
lot of-
kami. Ano ba yan? Yan. Kasama natin ang ating driver for today. Punta ako sa Asian store and then bibili ako ng they're the owner of that house. I need to get like a ube thing. So slow bat ang camera ko eh.
What are you
Para-
buying? A bunch of chips?
No, I already buy. It's like the makapuno and the kamote. So we can put it in the halo-halo tomorrow, guys, kasi maghalo-halo po kami sa work. Tapos dadaan
Kamote? That sounds like something you smoke.
dadaan po kami sa Walmart,
Kamote.
maggrocery ng konti.
Like magic kamote?
So ayan na yung ating
Magic.
outfit. Binili po natin sa Shein.
I don't like that.
My outfit?
Yeah.
Why?
It's weird looking. Where it goes like
Boring talaga
over
to
the
siya,
one
guys.
shoulder and only.
Oh yeah, it's okay. It's design there. Di niya kasi alam kung
there's
ano yung
competitive.
design. Anyway, guys, tara, let's go kay Lobat ang ating camera.
What?
Ay, wale. Oh, ayan. Ubi cookies and cream. Ay. Ito na lang siguro, no? Okay naman to. Yan. Tapos, ano pa ba? Pabili na ako ng ganyan eh. Hopya. May tilapia pero saba. Pabili na ako ng turong. Oh, golden saba. Wow, na may jack. Oh. Ayan, tapos ano pa ba? Kailangan ko ng kamote. Star margarine. Tayo nitong potato na Japanese. Ayan o. Kahit dalawa lang siguro. Pagkain here. Mini cheese balls. Tapos ko, tingnan nyo naman. Yung ube. Mahal. Kailangan ko ata ng makapon. Si jackfruit. Okay. Meron ata siyang jackfruit. Tapos kaong nata de coco. Baka yan. Ube. Ayan lang yung binili natin. So tara na. Kay Lobat ako. Walmart, guys. Dito na kami. Asan na yung kasama natin? Right here, nawala. Chicken nuggets, we still have a lot.
Gabriel, I thought those ones at Costco. Those things are huge compared to the ones here.
Okay. So,
You don't want those?
where? What's that?
Right there.
Rice? Or this? Oh yeah, I want this. This is what I want to get. Really? What I need to, guys. Kasi gusto to ng mga baguettes. Let's...
Ketchup. We need ketchup.
Okay. Yes, you're right. We need ketchup. So, grocery tayo, guys. Konti lang.
Cut out all that.
Go get ketchup, honey. Lobat ako, guys.
Del Taco hot dog.
Ganito talaga ang buhay. Nakapangasawa sa Amerikano.
This
Oh.
big enough?
That's good. Grabe ang laki ng ketchup na kinuha niya, guys. Yan.
Mayo? You got mayo?
Oh, sorry.
You got mayo?
Yeah. No, I was looking for oyster sauce. Oh, it's not here. It's in the other side. Yan talaga pag ikaw nakapangasawa ng AFAM, akala mo talagang sila ay bonggacious. Hindi, guys. Kasi pipiliin nila yung pinakamura. Charot, depende lang sa Amerikano sila, guys. Oh, that's, I don't know. I don't want that.
It's got too much sodium.
Oh, really?
But
Hmm.
for 410 times 8.
Wow, that's a lot. Grabe. Para siyang pickles na may mga vegetables siya. Ayan, oh. Pero masarap to, ha. Kaya lang, grabe ang sodium. Ayaw namin yan.
Like all those the pepperoni, I love those on the sandwich.
Same. Okay, I need to get my tilapia.
Oh, come on, quick.
Do not say a bad word to me. Kuha tayo ng oyster sauce. Ito yung oyster sauce. Ang liit. Oh my God, it's so little, you see. Ang liit niya, guys. Mahal pa naman to. Kano din to? Isa lang? Yeah. What is that daw? Sabi na. Where? There's no big one. What's the big one? Wala ah. So tara guys, bili tayo ng ano. Bili tayo ng tilapia. Guys, bili tayo ng mga chips. Han, can you make guacamole? I'm really wanting to eat guacamole. Let's get the kids something. Kuha pa tayo nitong chips, guys. Kaya ang mga bata nag-crave ng chips.
$2.
Tapos nacho. Ayan. So far, ayan yung nabili namin.
Cancer stuff.
Tingnan nyo, nagreklamo na naman po siya. Nagreklamo na naman po siya sa mga kinuha ko. Charot lang. Para bitaw to sa mga bata. Eh. No, we still have a lot. Para sa mga bata, guys, kay mas maganda talaga yung bilihin na hindi masyadong ano sa kanila. Wait! Hindi masyadong masama sa kanilang katawan. Kasi yung mga chips dito, meron pong mga ano, merong mga, alam niyo na, para sa mga cancer or something. Anyway, bili tayo ng Celsius. Para kay Kuya, boy. Aray ko, dalawa lang. Kasi ang mahal po nito, guys. Peach pie. Oh, really?
Like crazy.
Tara guys, let's go. Yan po ang ating kasama for today's grocery.
All you do is buy
Ayan lang naman po ang nabili namin. Wala na pong iba. Say it, say it.
buy all the shit.
Annoying talaga to siya, guys. Ang sarap talagang pahigain. Lobat ng camera ko, guys. Try natin mag-haul mamaya, okay?
You guys don't like this?
Yeah, we like that. That's good for the burger.
But listen, if you take those crackers right there, and then you take this right here, and you make it in fours, and put a little bit of cheese in there. Gabriel loves these with those crackers.
Oh, really? Alright.
Put that in.
Mga healthy talaga yung binibili niya, guys. So, tara. You.
Let's go.
Shut up! What's that?
Let's go.
Guys, order kami dito ngayon sa
Why don't you
Charlie's.
try something else like chicken teriyaki?
Okay, you do first. Hi! You do you first.
I'll just have the regular steak.
The Philly cheesesteak? Would you like mayo, lettuce, tomato?
Yeah.
And then the onions, green peppers, mushrooms are okay?
Excuse me?
The onions, the onions, green peppers, mushrooms are okay?
No mushroom.
Mushrooms? Would you like fries and a drink with that?
No, I'm good.
No?
Can I please have chicken teriyaki? Let's do regular.
Regular? Would you like the mayo, lettuce, tomato?
Yes, please.
Would you like fries and a drink?
No, thank you. That's
So
it.
this gonna be for here to go?
4 to go, please.
No? Are you signed up with the reward system?
I think so. Hey, you have rewards now? He said he don't want it.
Okay, it's gonna be $22.92 with card.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Number 10.
So, wait lang namin yung order namin. Upo na muna ako dahil pero doon po kami kakain sa bahay. Ay, grabe. Sira naman po ano. Sira ang mesa.
Are you done?
Nag-order kami ng...
We gotta go get Gabriel right now.
I know. It's just it in the car.
12:51.
Oh, I'm not going.
What time is it?
I have to put the stuff away.
What time do we get in?
12:51.
It's already.
Nag-order lang kami ng
We got
sa kanya Philly steak, akin chicken teriyaki kasi mas gusto ko
We got a
yung
little bit of
medyo
time.
may sauce na matamis. Anyway, after dito, we're gonna go home. Hey guys. Time check 4:35. Nag-nap po tayo. Nagnap ang lahat. Prepare lang tayo ng dinner, guys. We are having steak. Steak, guys. Tapos, ito yung mga cubes na steak. Para siyang pang-adobo na steak. I-season ko lang to ng salt, pepper, and then mag-bake ako ng asparagus mamaya. Ay. Yan siya, guys. Tapos, rice, asparagus, at saka kung hindi ko i-bake ang asparagus, guys, i-saute ko siya. But, I'm gonna do that later. After ko drop off si Kuya sa kanyang gym. Mag-cook tayo ng dinner. Saglit lang guys kasi hindi pa naman time para dalhin si Kuya sa gym. Asparagus muna ang lutuin natin. Ito na yung mga ricados natin na hiniwa. Here, meron tayo dyang garlic. Meron tayong onion. Tapos ito lang yung asparagus guys. Para ko lang siyang nitin konti, palambutin and voila. That's it. Hey, just wake up. Alright. We'll go in a little bit, okay? I have to make this real quick. Lagyan natin ng soy sauce. Ay, oyster sauce, pampalasa. And then, si Kuya, gising na siya guys. So, dalahin na natin siya sa gym and then continue ako ng cooking tonight. Ay, later pala. Yung steak. So, hindi ko lang alam kung anong gusto ni asawa ko for dinner. So, see you later. Hey guys, kakarating ko lang. Actually, kanina pa. It's like an hour already. Galing sa paghatid kay Kuya sa gym. So, ngayon, ang sobrang kalat ng aking kusina kasi nga, I am still cooking. So, my husband decided mag-tacos daw siya, guys. As usual. Paulit-ulit. Tapos, nagpa-fried rice ako, guys. Kasi sayang naman yung kanin. Kaya lang, hindi siya matigas from the fridge. Kasi siya, guys, I don't know anong nangyari. But, gina-fried rice ko siya. Pero sobrang soft. Talaga siya guys, ang pangit niya anuhin. So, wala na tayong magawa dyan. Patayin na natin. So, ito na yung steak natin guys. Ayan, here's the steak. Fry lang natin ng maganda at masarap. Tapos, ito yung fried rice na sinasabi ko guys. You see what happened? Basang-basa siya guys. And, gina-oven ko lang yung tortilla ni asawa and then we can make his dinner na. Yan na guys. Napaka-easy lang naman ito. Like, alam nyo na yan. Ground beef. Tapos, ang init na ngayon. Sobra. So, ito na yung naluto. Ito yung leftover eh. Aray, kainit guys. Init kay guys as in. Tapos, lagyan na natin ng cheese. As usual, the same thing. First, ayan na guys, naano ko na yung ano niya. Lagyan muna natin ng sour cream. So, syempre, simple. Happy na yan. Tapos, iserve na natin. Diba? Kadali. Bigyan na lang natin siya ng sauce, guys. So, yan guys, mga packaging. Alam nyo, kaya talaga, every time pumupunta po kami sa mga store, mga restaurant, ganyan, namimili kami ng pagkain, fast food, kumuha po kami ng mga extra, buti na lang, at libre, di ba? Kaya para marami pa po kaming paggagamitan. So, tara guys, i-serve na muna natin sa ating husband para happy yan. Let's go, guys.